This was the trade setup that helped me to get me over $300. With just these 3 techniques that I'm going to show you now, what's the reason to take this trade? What's the risk-reward ratio? What's the stop-lose? That's what we are going to see in today's video. The currency pair is New Zealand dollar to US dollar. You can check out the setup on your chart if you need to, but now let's head to analyzing the market. Let's start with higher time frame pictures, like the daily or H4, so that we can get the bigger pictures of the market. Here now we are on H4 time frame. Let's see the major points out there. First, here we have an engulfing candle, a strong indication of the market is willing to make a downtrend movements. Not only that, there we have a reversal candle, which oftenly occurs whenever the market fails to keep the previous trend. So now that means we have 2 big confirmations from H4 time frame. Good. Now let's move to H1 time frame. Actually, on H1 time frame, we don't have any major confirmations or topics here. But if we give our attention, here we have a double Maru setup. It means that there is a hidden engulfing candle is on smaller time frame. So we will check it out on later. Fine. Now let's move to M30 time frame. Well, actually, nothing to spot as confirmation, but we can see it has the same moves as H1 time frame does. Strong support broken aggressively, and it's a fresh zone to trade. Now let's move to M15 time frame. This is where the main confirmation is being played on. SNRC1 setup out there. The market left drop-based drop at the place where the strong support is broken aggressively. Well, you can change the chart to line chart to see a clear views. Here is the strong support. And there we have a drop-based drop at the same zone. And finally, we have high probability setup of SNRC1. And now let's talk about where to put our stop-lose and take profit targets. Basically, whenever we are considering to put our stop-lose, we need to set in the zone where it's not much far away from the entry. And it's recommended to risk around 25 to 50 pips depending on your account size. For this trade, I'm aiming to put it on this level, and for me, this is the safe zone, because it's only 30 pips risk. And now let's talk about our target or take profit. For my take profit, I set the target right this zone. And it's about risk 1 ratio 8 or above. That's it for now, and on later, I will show you the result after some market moves.
A few moments later.